TV, subscribe and like, please.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Ciara Michelle, and in today's video we're just going to be doing a box braid refresher. Gotta refresh the braids. So this is going to be very simple and very to the point. I'm not going to do too much talking, so y'all better enjoy this in music and maybe learn a little something, maybe teach me something in the comment sections. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, and I'll see you guys in the video. So in this video, there are going to be a few things I'm going to be using, and I'm going to just show y'all the products right now before I get into it. I use grapeseed and avocado oil right here. This is by Aunt Jessie's. Don't say I didn't show you guys. This is what I use to grow my hair. This is the shampoo that I'm going to use today, and it's low porosity, protein-free shampoo. And yeah, I have like a water bottle, and it's like barely any water in here, and I'll be using that along with a face towel and another towel to make sure I don't have too much water spilling. So almost like a dry shampoo, but not a dry shampoo. as y'all can see, I got a lot of water on my face. Like, this is a process, so child, don't put no makeup on because it is coming off. But yeah, I have water everywhere in the kitchen. Everywhere in the restaurant, okay? But yeah. Now I'm gonna let my hair like dry. I'm gonna pat it dry. Then I'm gonna section it so it can dry quicker. And I'm also going to retwist, like kind of twist the braid so it's more defined. I really try my best not to get all of my hair wet because I ain't trying to walk around with no wet braids touching me. But I gotta take this makeup off because it's literally starting to burn my eyes. It keeps like, ooh, keeps dripping in my eyes. You can take some gel or you can just twist it like this. All over your scalp. It's pretty simple, but it's like really time consuming. You made it to the end of this video. That's what's up. Go ahead and like it, subscribe, and let's watch another video.